but you can call me Geeky McFangirl. Welcome to my channel and thanks so much for joining me for a video game inspired craft. Today I'm going to show you how to make health and mana bottles that are also lights. You can find links for all the materials you'll need for this project in the description box below the video, both on YouTube and at craftymcfangirl.com. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know you can support me for $1 a month on Patreon. I put a link in the description box below. Start with Mod Podge Hardcoat and red and blue Folk Art All-Surface Acrylic Paint. These paints are meant to be used on glass and will form a permanent bond if baked to dry. Mix the paint with Mod Podge to make the paint appear somewhat transparent when it dries. Then remove the corks and paint one bottle red and one bottle blue using a wide brush. Try to limit the visible brush strokes as much as possible. Once you have both bottles painted to your satisfaction, put them in the oven and bake them to dry. Once the bottles have cooled completely, it's time to test them with the lights. You can find a link for these cork bottle lights below the video. I thought that one coat of paint came out too light and decided to add another coat of the Mod Podge and paint mixture. And then back to the oven to bake the paint dry. Once the bottles have cooled completely, you can add the cork bottle light strings and your project is done. These bottles will look great on your shelf during the day, and in the evening they turn into fun game-themed lighting. Thanks so much for crafting with me today, guys. I hope you have fun if you try this project. And if you liked this craft and you want to see what's coming next, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to watch me live stream my craft projects, you can find me on Twitch. If you want to support the channel, you can also find me on Patreon. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.